Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If this is your very first video of mine, welcome. My name is Yusra and I would love if you guys go ahead and take the time to hit that subscription right down below so you don't miss any more videos. And to jump into this big unnecessary haul that I recently did, this is not all from Sephora. I actually went to a few different places, so I'm just going to show you guys all the goodies that I bought. So the first thing I bought is actually from Pure. It's from TJ Maxx, and I've never tried any products from Pure, I think that's how you say it. And this is the Gold Digger Vanity Palette and Chic, so I'm really eager to try it. And this is just what it looks like. So I really like that. I think that would be a good bronze color. So I'm really eager to try it. And this retail for $10.99. The next thing that I picked up is also from Pure, and it's their Quick Pro Highlighter. And it was $9.99. I find myself lately going to TJ Maxx and Marshalls because it's like you can really find some really good things that I normally wouldn't go to the store and buy from there. So the palette just looks like that. So definitely going to be trying this out. And then the next thing that I actually picked up from there was this Gigi Hadid and Maybelline collab mascara. I actually have it on. I really like it because I absolutely love Maybelline mascaras. Unicorn oil, I absolutely love this. I love how it makes my face feel. And I have really dry skin, so it really moisturizes my skin. And then the next thing that I got was the Milk Makeup Foundation. And this actually, I got it in the VIB sale. If you guys haven't seen it, then go ahead and check it out. But I got the wrong color, so I ended up just switching it out for the color tan. So the next two things that I picked up were actually from the JLo and Inglot collab. I wanted to get a lot of the things on the collab, but my Macy's unfortunately was sold out, so I'm on a waiting list for that. So the two things that I picked up are these pair lashes, and they come in, it's like half lashes, and I actually have the outer half on right now, and I really like them. And then the next thing was the eye gel liner in the color black. And the last few things that I picked up are from MAC, and I normally don't wear a lot of MAC makeup, but I went in there to go pick up a lip liner because I swear by the MAC lip liners, and this is in the color chestnut, so it's just brown. And while I was there, I went ahead and I picked up Soft Ochre Paint Pot for my eyelids. And then I kind of sort of just, you know, gravitated towards some glitter. So I actually picked up these two glitters right here. And this will be the first time that I'm trying any glitters from MAC. So I'm really excited to try them. And that was it for my small, but yet big haul. And if you guys enjoy videos like this, be sure to let me know. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look right here, it should be up after this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button already if you have made it this far. Until next time.